Now let us see how to insert videos in MS Word document. Okay, go to insert and click on online videos. Okay, so here you can see these formats are uh, uh, like supported by MS Word. Okay, so you can add any video with this format. So I have copied a YouTube video link and I am pasting that YouTube video link here. Okay, so so after pasting the YouTube video link, I can see that particular video. Okay, and I can click on insert. Now the video being inserted. So the video will insert at the place where your cursor was there. Okay, so I have reduced the size. Let me align it in this way. Okay, now I just have to click here to play it. Line number. Okay, add line numbering. Okay, the A4 page term. Okay, Got it?
a
So
number of
in this
paper
way
size are available
you
there.
can insert
Okay,
the videos.
you can choose any one. For sample, let us choose the A3 size. So when I click on A3,
Okay, so I'm just clicking somewhere else and going out of the video. And to remove the video, just select it and click on delete. Okay, on your keyboard, press the delete button. So this is about inserting a video link or say video. Okay, thank you.